Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing the Ipsy Ultimate unboxing. This is the $50 subscription from Ipsy and it is every month. And I think you get 10 to 12 full-size items in this one. Look, I can't even fit it in the whole screen. Hello, it's huge. Oh, you can actually see my dining room chair. Okay, we're gonna fix this. But if you wanna be here to see this, stay tuned, but this will be gone in just a second. All right, so here we are, and I am in my kitchen. Another background, I'm sorry. I'm a busy lady, okay? I'm a busy manic mommy. So we're doing the Ipsy unboxing. I told you this is the ultimate. It is a $50 subscription. I haven't even opened it yet. I haven't seen what's gonna be in this because I've just been too busy to even really watch the spoilers or anything about this. So I just got the scissors out to open this bad boy up. I don't even know what the bag looks like this month. And I am about to discover this Ipsy, y'all. Okay, that was really dumb. Oh, okay, so part of this Ipsy is you get a larger makeup bag than you would normally. So, for example, I'm guessing the theme is gonna be this pretty tan leopard, but Ipsy is sending the Ipsy Ultimate users subscriptures. No, why can't I talk? The Ipsy Ultimate subscribers, that was so hard, will get a larger makeup bag. But already I'm kind of impressed with what they are offering here. How cool is this? This is the little booklet that comes inside your subscription. It says, Wild Side, this month, dare to step into uncharted territory. All right, I will. This is for November. The hashtag they're using is Discover Yourself. So if you want to go look on any instant media type things, instant media, social media avenues, check that hashtag, see what pops up. Inside, it will tell me the items I am getting. Does not tell me the full size price. So I'm going to have to do some searching and see what these things go for. Oh, see how many items though? All right, we're just going to jump in. I don't really know where to start with this, so we're just going to hop right into the box. The first thing I see is Panda Eye Brightening Mask, hydrates and soothes. Super cute little panda mask. And by the ingredients, I can't talk today. The instructions say, or show, that is definitely a panda face. So pretty cute, maybe a little raccoony, but either way, it says it's gonna soothe and brighten, hydrate and soothe. Cool. Got a face mask, gonna pop that in my cute little to-go bag. Gigi Gorgeous, the Gorgeous Contour Brush. This is weighing, this brush already feels so much better in my hand than another box I just unboxed. So please check all my videos because I just posted that and you'll know what I'm talking about. Ooh, so soft though. Very soft, very white, which nobody can ever keep their white brushes, even, you know, looking good, but whatever. Contour. Oh, you could even do that there. Okay. Definitely gonna try this. It is very soft. Kismet Buff Sugar Lip Scrub. Oh, I'm sorry, lighting is so bad. It's just gold and white and cute. All right. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I kind of want to eat that. Oh, that smells so good. It says bright and bubbly. So you just put this on your lips, scrub away. Some of these are edible, but I'm not saying go ahead and eat them. I'm just saying if it gets in your mouth, it's not the end of the world. But you scrub your lips, get them nice and plump and beautiful and degrossified with this. So popping it in my little bag. This is the item I picked myself. And again, it's a Murad product. I love Murad. You guys should probably figure that out by now. But this is the Environmental Shield Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. I am a picker, was a worse picker when I was younger, and I definitely have some scars, some pigmentation issues. And I would definitely like to give this a try because I have had great track records with Murad items before. So I'm just gonna open this up and show you what it looks like. It comes in a glass bottle. Here it is. It's a serum type. I've actually tested this at like Ulta or Sephora before, but it is like a serum solution, and you would just, well, I guess serums you're supposed to pat. But anyways, there it is. That's what it is. That is it. Good Air Whip Moisture Cream. It says kale and spinach hyaluronic acid. It is hydration cream. Youth to the People is the brand. I really like, oh look, less hate, hydrate. I should probably do that. Oh. Yeah, I don't think there's a smell. I'm not sure. Definitely like a gelish type cream solution to me, the way it looks. I've got the Confidence in a Cleanser Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleansing Serum. So I got a cleansing serum that's also hydrating, which is cool because my skin is really dry. Those of you who don't know, Utah is a very dry state. And winter, it becomes even more dry, and then your skin cracks, it gets all wrinkly, it looks bad. So I try to pack on the hydration in the winter and let myself be more matte and dry in the summer because I am greasy, but in the winter I do need the moisture. It is sealed with a tamper-safe seal on the end, so I am not going to open it yet because I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I mean, I'm excited, but I've also, oh, it has a sample in there. Oh! Confidence in a Cream. Oh, so they gave you a sample inside the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser box. You got a sample of their Confidence in a Cream. I don't know if I'm going to keep this. I kind of want to look at the ingredients because I heard this weird rumor that It Cosmetics uses snail slime. And I just don't know how that's extracted, what is going on with that. Why? Why do we need to use snail slime if that is truly an ingredient, which I don't know. I'm gonna check into it. I'll let you know, but here it goes. Woo! I almost went on the floor. It's safely in my cute little Ipsy bag now. Okay, just saying. And Colt, Bite Your Kiss. Oh, number 1. Okay, so is this nail polish? Yep, nail polish. Really pretty color. Oh, sorry. I don't know if you can really see that. It's like a dark purple, like blackish purple. Really good fall color. Smith & Colt brand. Not sure if I even own anything Smith & Colt. I kind of think Smith & Colt is supposed to be pretty fancy schmancy. I also don't know if my stuff got broken, or is that how it's supposed to... I don't know, is everybody's little nail polish thing dented in like somebody hit them with a shopping cart or something? I don't know. Very heavy, and it's called Bite Your Kiss. I'm gonna pop that in the bag, but I did it way more gentle than the other items because that thing's heavy. And then I got Clarine Laboratories dry shampoo with oat milk. Ooh, oat milk! Oat milk is so rad. I'm not a huge dairy milk fan. I don't. Directions. Shake well, spray evenly, 10 inches away from hair, focusing at the roots. Typical instructions of a dry shampoo. I just want to see if it has a smell. Smells like dry shampoo. Kind of that weird old lady hairspray smell. But there you go. That is it. It's an aerosol package and it has a spray and it is definitely full size. So dry shampoo with oat milk, gentle formula for all hair types. Cleanses hair without water. It's $1 Billion Brows, never heard of it, but it's a universal brow pencil, brow duo pencil, a clear brow gel, and a smudge brush, which I swear they must have been listening to me because I need to learn how to put my brows on better. That is the one thing I just have the hardest time with. I am not a good brow maker. And look, it shows you the before. She looks just fine before, but whatever. And then after. So dramatic. Another makeup brush. I don't know if maybe I add this. Was this this might have been an add-on. I will have to double check, but I do already have this exact same Farrah brush. It's the 35E Farrah brush. I really, really like it. It's the blending brush I use every single day. I actually already have 2 of these already. So this is number 3, but it's because it is my favorite blending brush, and I am going to, if anytime Ipsy has them, you can get them for so cheap as an add-on. I have been adding it every time because all of them are dirty, but this one now, and it's gonna be used as soon as I do my makeup again. Okay, so that's the Trace Stick or whatever, and it is a color and contour cheek stick. Brazilian bronze. I do not use cream products to contour or bronze with. I am a powder gal, but I don't know if that's because I just don't know any better. No smell. Or if I should try to maybe, before I powder my face, add my items. Let's see how much you get. So that's actually how much you get in a full size. You tell me, cream users, is that a decent amount of product? I have no idea. It looks like a lot to me. Like if that was a lipstick, I'd be like, dang. And then it comes with a brush on the, ooh. I'm just letting that brush contour out or fade out that. I was just playing with it. Anyways, it has a brush on this end and it's really soft. It feels synthetic, which is fine. I actually prefer synthetic. Popping that back on the end. Popping that back on the end. And now I'll give it a try. Let me know who uses cream, who uses powder, why not? I'd like to know. Let's start a discussion. Educate me. Juice Beauty Stem Cellar Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. Hey, I got wrinkles and I would like to anti them out of here. Ooh, it smells like essential oils. Kind of smells like tea tree. Love it. Love that scent. I am more drawn to herbal scents than I am warm, foodie, vanilla-y scents. I like that musky, but not even musk. I just like essential oils, but ageless, be ageless, stem cellular anti-wrinkle booster serum. All right. And then Wander Beauty. I know Ipsy and BoxyCharm get a lot of heat for always being so Wander Beauty big and kind of hustling it a lot, but I don't mind. I actually have liked all of my Wander Beauty items that I've had. Gotta open this. I like Wander Beauty. So this is a Wander Beauty item. I feel like I haven't seen Wander Beauty items in a while. It is the Wander Beauty Wanderous Rush eyeshadow palette. Kind of pretty, kind of typical for their coloring and style. I feel like they go with very mauve-y packaging usually. I think that's kind of like their signature color. Cardboard, love it. Here's the little protective plastic that's gonna keep everything happy and healthy. And there it is. I don't know why I'm talking so weird. Okay, shiny, shiny, glitter, glitter. Matte or satin? I'm not quite sure. Like those colors. Those are really good crease colors for me. You know, base color, crease color, outer corner, inner corner. Very similar to what I'm doing today. Outer corner, inner corner. Obviously I will use this because hello, I'm rocking those colors already right there. And I've never tried an eyeshadow product or palette or anything like that. I have never tried their formula from Wander Beauty. So I'm kind of excited to try it because that's just something totally new for me from them. Normally it's been a skincare item. 13 items total. Of those 13 items that are makeup based, I have 2 makeup brushes. And again, I can't remember if this was me or not. I want to say it was. So just know that this may or may not have been my add-on. I just can't remember. There are so many boxes coming in, you guys. I don't know. But contour brush, eyeshadow brush, brow kit that came with all 4 of these items in that kit, the eyeshadow palette, the contour stick, and the nail polish. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items that are beauty based. So 7 are based on hair care toiletry items. So that's pretty exciting. I feel like that's a pretty well-rounded box. Now, here's the trick. Do I think it's worth $50? For it being the second box to come through, the first box I felt like was a total flop, and I think it was junk. I felt like they just went, okay, what can we put in a box? We ran out of time. We told everybody we're doing this Ipsy Ultimate, and now we have to just dump. And I feel like they just opened their junk drawer and threw crap into a box. That's how I feel like the first box went. This box I feel like is more curated, took more time, picked better brands and items for people. I just feel like there's definitely more effort going on, and there's major potential. Right now, as far as all of these items go, the only thing I would possibly get rid of, and sorry, I've been sick. The item I probably wouldn't normally be okay with, but since I'm not experienced with cream items, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give it a shot. This is the only item out of all 13 items that I would feel like wasn't for me. One out of all 13 that has 12 more valid items for me. I feel like that is worth my $50. So I think this is a pretty cool box, way better than the first month. Honestly, had this sucked, I would have not been okay with paying $50 again next month. But since I see the potential and I see the growth, I think I'll stick it out for one more month, try it out again, and then I'm gonna make my decision as how I'm gonna condense, switch things up. Comment below, tag me in your social media. I would love to see what you get every month. Please let me know. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh, before I out of here, like and subscribe.